Welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a super easy recipe. Now, some may think this is a breakfast recipe, but we are making it for dinner. Breakfast for dinner, it's all right too. I like breakfast for dinner. So we are making the JK McMuffin. This kind of is like a McMuffin, but we're making it our way. Here's what you're going to need to make it. You're going to need your favorite ham. I love honey ham, so we're going to use that. You're going to need a slice of cheese. Use your favorite cheese. I'm using Kojak. You're going to need an egg. I'm going to use a brown egg. Why? Because brown eggs taste better. You're going to need an English muffin, and you're going to need some butter. So we have 2 pans heating up. I'm going to cook the ham and the cheese in one pan. Basically, I'm going to warm it on one side, flip it over, put the cheese on, let the cheese melt, and we're going to cook the egg in the other. Now, I'm not mixing up the yolk. I'm going to cook this over medium so there's just a little bit of runny yolk left, and it's really nice. That oozes into the sandwich and kind of gives you something to dip your sandwich in. Makes it delicious. So we're going to get this started. All right, so I got our pans heating up, just a little low heat. They're warming. I'm going to put my ham on this side. I'm going to warm one side, just like I said. So give that just 30 seconds or so. We're going to flip it over, get some cheese on that. All right, now that that's warm, we're just going to flip it right over. We're going to put our cheese on here. I'm going to break this off, kind of put it like this. This is going to melt real nice. So we're going to let that melt while we get our egg. So I got a little butter in the pan, melted. We're going to put our egg in there, give it a little bit of salt, give it a little pepper. And as I mentioned, we're going to cook this over medium. Now, while this is going on, we are going to get our English muffin in the toaster because we want them all ready about the same time. These are going to take 2 or 3 minutes. Our English muffin is going to take 2 or 3 minutes. All right, English muffin in the toaster. Now, cook your English muffin until you like it done. If you like it real light, cook it light. If you like it dark and crispy, cook it dark and crispy. Alrighty, now that our English muffin's in, we got our egg. Actually, that's looking pretty good right there. We're going to leave that another 30 seconds or so. And our cheese is melting real nice on our ham here. So I'm just going to try and keep as much cheese on the ham as possible. Alright, that egg looks pretty good. We're going to go ahead and flip it over. We're only flipping our egg once. And like I said, over medium because we want this not as runny as this. This is a pretty good dip egg right here if we leave it on for about 30 more seconds. But we're going to leave it on for a minute or so. Let that cook. And our ham's about ready. We're going to turn our heat down because we don't want to burn this stuff while English muffin's cooking. Okay, so we got our English muffin done here. I like mine a little light. I don't like them too crispy. So we're just going to put a real thin coat of butter on each side because I don't think you can have too much butter. Just a little more. We got to get our enough fat intake for the day. So, all right, English muffins are buttered. We're going to take our ham, put right here on the sandwich here. Look at that melted cheese. That's actually beautiful right there. Take the extra cheese. Don't want to lose any cheese. Then we're going to take our egg, put it right on top there. Look at that. Over medium. A little bit of runniness in that yolk. Let's make it a sandwich. Now, as I mentioned, we're going to cut this in half. We're just going to cut our yolk. It's going to leave us just a little bit of gooiness in the middle. Take a look at that. Look at that nice gooiness of the yolk. So this thing looks delicious. As long as it tastes as good as it looks, we're going to be in good shape here. So really, there's only one thing left to do, and that's taste this thing. Look at that. Cheese melting all over the place. A little bit of runniness of the yolk. Wow. This thing is amazing. Easy to make. Probably 5 minutes of your time. And delicious. So breakfast for dinner is definitely a winner. I appreciate you stopping. Please click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click that notification bell. You'll get notifications when I post new videos. And feel free to share this video with a friend. Leave me a comment. If there's something you want me to cook, leave me a comment. I'll try it out. So, again, thanks for stopping. Have a great day. I'm going to finish this off.